wonderful perspective change 2 days ago during the weekend, the Independence Day holidays. I was talking to my daughter and I was lamenting, see Akshaya, I have been trying to become a coach and a speaker. I have now acquired a good amount of skill, mindset and all that, but still I'm not able to break through because I've been an IT professional last 2 decades and I really like it, right? It's something I always love to do. Computers is what was my dream during my school and college days. I really liked whatever I was doing, but there is still something in my I don't know, I call it mind or soul is telling me that I want to do more and make a difference in people's life, right? So that kept pushing me and I have acquired a lot of skills and stuff, but I'm still not able to do this. Don't know when I will be able to do that. She said, Amma, you are the one who always tells the story. Can I tell you a story? I said, yes, of course, please do. Because she is also a very good speaker. She speaks out from her heart, right? So she started the story. So there was a couple. This is kind of happening in a Western country. The husband comes back from office really angry and worried. And he's like, in a very high voice, he's telling like, I'm really hungry. Give me something to eat. I'm going to get refreshed and come back soon. So then the wife gets into the kitchen and keeps three vessels with water, right? She boils them up. So in about 2 to 3 minutes, the water boils. She puts in one of the vessels a potato, right? And then in another vessel, a couple of eggs, and in another vessel, the coffee beans, right? So now all of them are boiling and getting cooked, and within 5-6 minutes, the potato she has pulled out and it is well cooked, and she has peeled the skin and just mashed it and put some seasoning on it, and then she took away the eggs and she removed the shells and she has cut it in and put it a little bit of pepper and salt, and the coffee bean now is giving excellent aroma. She is able to really enjoy the smell, and she made a black coffee and she kept it on the table. So everything is ready. The meal looked good. He came after refreshing, and then he nicely had hot meal, and his now temperament looked much better. He started becoming little cool and started talking to her well. She asked me, what did you learn from this story? I said, like, what? Somebody was hungry and already angry as well. So definitely a good meal has served. What, ma? What? You're not getting the crux of the story. I said, like, okay, I thought for a while and I could guess. There is something about what she did with, the same ingredient, which is the hot water. Right? She said, yes, you got the point. Let me clarify. The point was, she had hot water in all the three. But imagine the potato, which is very hard, when she has put it in the hot water, it has become very soft. The egg, which is so fragile, right? Even you even keep it on the table with little more force, it could break, but has become hard after boiling. The same hot water has made the coffee bean, which otherwise raw, if you taste it or smell it, nothing would come, is given a wonderful aroma and taste and gave her a wonderful coffee. So imagine, it is not what you have matters, it is what you do with what you have that matters. Wow, that gave me a wonderful perspective. So I was looking at a lot of external factors like, oh, okay, will people accept me as a speaker? Will people accept me as a coach? Right? Or will I be able to really deliver the change that they are looking at? So there are a lot of things, right, that I'm looking at externally. But if I look at my core, right, what I have, what I want to offer, the purpose, right, the intention, the need, the want, if I start believing in itself, right, and myself, I can really make that difference. So that gave me a wonderful perspective this Independence Day. I wanted to share with all of you.